In today's video, I'll be comparing AutoDS with Zendrop to find out which is the best dropshipping tool. Now, if you wanted to try out either of these tools for yourself, I have included links to their websites at the top of this video's description. And if you sign up for AutoDS using my link, you can actually get a 30-day free trial. So to determine which is a better dropshipping tool, we're going to be comparing them on their prices, integrations, and also functionalities before making a decision. So let's start with the price plan. For AutoDS, they actually have a range of options, and the price will vary depending which site you need it for. Now, since Zendrop only works with Shopify, I think it's only fair if we look at the AutoDS Shopify plan. So as you can see, the first plan that they offer is actually the Import 200 plan, and this costs around $20 per month, and you get all of these features with it. Next up, they have the Starter 500 plan, which is around $30 a month, and this is the most popular plan, with all of these features down here. Next up, they have the Advanced 1K plan, and this is around $50 per month. And finally, if that's still not enough, they do offer more custom packages so that you can suit your needs. And they do actually go up to $2,000 per month, which will cover 100,000 products in the importer. Now for Zendrop, they only have 3 plans, and the first one is completely free, just so you can try out the platform. The second plan is around $50 a month, and you can see all the features down here. And then finally, they have the Plus plan, which is around $80 per month, and you can see all the features here. Now, in terms of the price, Zendrop actually wins this one. However, AutoDS actually offers more value for high volume businesses with its Pro and Enterprise plans. So I'd say Zendrop is more beginner friendly. So now on to integrations. So as you can see here, AutoDS actually integrates with a ton of popular e-commerce platforms, and you can click on any of these to learn more about their integration. And as you can see for Zendrop, they only integrate with Shopify and Commerce HQ, so there is definitely not as many integrations as there is for AutoDS. And this means AutoDS takes the crown for this one, offering more flexibility for your store setup. So now on to some of their features. AutoDS's main features is its extensive automation, which allows you to automate product sourcing, pricing, order fulfillment, inventory management, and also real-time tracking. As we mentioned earlier, they have the multi-store support, which means we can actually use it for multiple e-commerce platforms. And they also have some more advanced features such as custom pricing rules, bulk editing, abandoned cart recovery, and also detailed analytics. But for Zendrop, they don't have nearly as many features. But don't get me wrong, Zendrop's features are still useful. They have features such as fast shipping, meaning you can get faster shipping on your dropshipping orders, automated fulfillment, which will allow Zendrop to automate the fulfillment process for you, as well as private labeling, which means you can customize your winning products by adding your own branding onto the actual product. This will help to make it seem a bit more professional. And the winner for this round will actually depend on your needs. And that's because AutoDS provides superior automation and advanced features for experienced dropshippers, while Zendrop's focus is more on the ease of use, fast shipping, and sourcing of high quality products, which could be ideal for beginners. So which one is actually better? There is no real answer on which one's better because they both cater to different uses. If you're more of a new dropshipper and you need fast shipping as well as some of the other features that Zendrop offers, this could definitely be a good place to start. However, if you're more experienced with dropshipping, you need a wider range of features as well as a ton of automation tools for your dropshipping store, then AutoDS could be better. But I recommend you try both of these platforms out for yourself, and if you click my links at the very top of the description, you can actually get a free trial for both of these websites and try their tools out for yourself. From there, you can see which one suits your business better, and you can continue with a subscription for that service. So this has been my comparison video between AutoDS and Zendrop. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.